Alright, so next we have is the RSI oversold and overbought zones. We can check the oversold and overbought values. By default, the overbought value is 80 and by default, the oversold value is 20. So whenever the RSI crosses the oversold value, like here, we will see a reversal. So again here, we see a oversold label. Again here. So it's highly useful to have RSI oversold and overbought values on your chart. Again, we have the oversold values. We see a reversal here. So getting to know when the RSI is oversold or overbought really helps us. Again here, we have is the OB, that is the overbought value. And we saw a reversal here, again a reversal here. So again, these values are highly useful. So next we're gonna talk about is the S&R mode setting for the sensitivity. We can set the sensitivity to high or low and make sure the S&R smart money mode is set to S&R, and then they can set the sensitivity to high or low, right?